Another day of fishing. Oh, don't you just love a good day of fishing? But first I need to go to work. Oh, someone left their cake out here. Must be a birthday party gonna happen. Oh, whoa, chill. Gotta go in from the back. Okay. Can't wait. Oh man, no one's coming anyways. My boss ain't here. You know what I wanna do. You know what I wanna do? Yeah, buddy. Get my car. We're gonna go to a fishing trip. Get my map. Apparently my location would be right up here. But if we take this road, we could go here and go fishing. So how about we turn around? Maybe could catch a couple of fish. Yeah, a couple of good fishies. Neighbors look good today. I don't want to wake up any of them up from their good night. Well, it's kind of night. It's early though. It's late. It's where I went to bed early, so I'd wake up at night for my work. Whoa, they have the yard blocked off. I'm just gonna barely skirt through there. Whoa, what happened? Ain't my business, but you know. Oh, I like that car. It's my dream car. Couldn't I like cut through here? Park right here. Yeah, we're low on fuel anyways. Oh yeah. No one's on the beach. I think it's because that COVID, Corona stuff. Ooh. Always good for some ice cream. Get my fishing pole out. Let's get a little, at least something. Oh, we got a small fry. Oh, that's what I think people call them. Come on, yeah, another one. Okay. Well, it looks like we're all out of worms. They took them all. What that means, we gotta go home. My fishing pole in my car. I got put in the trunk. It was fun though, while it lasted. My map back out. I gotta go home. Put my thing in my trunk. Go home, watch out. Okay. Easy through these curves. I'll get gas later. I just need to make it home right now. Give me something to eat. I'm starving. Didn't we pack those glizzies up last night? My bae might be coming over for dinner. Bringing her little brother. Oh, whoa, Joe. Looks like I'm home. Unlock the door. Where's those glizzies? these. Oh, there's potatoes though. Oh yeah, that tastes good. Oh god, that didn't taste good. Let me get this. What's where I clean that up? Get these. Oh yeah, fried eggs and bacon right there. Good night meal. Let's go to my bed. Let's go in the living room. Just a good movie right here. What happened to that freaking giraffe? Long neck. This is the bathroom. Oh, whoa, whoa, chill. Oh man, I forgot to put that lettuce up. Put that lettuce up over there. Those lettuces. Why did I bring my fishing pole in? Anyways, put that thing back in the car. Why I brought that in here? Guess I'm gonna take me a nap. Wrong room. What's wrong with me today? It's too much work. Get my pajamas on. Go get my pajamas on in the bathroom. Yeah, I'll pick that up. Oh yeah. Change into my pajamas. Oh yeah. Guess I'm gonna go to bed. This good old city. Good old fresh looking city. I guess I'm gonna go to bed.